I've worked with countless exchanges and consistently among their top partners. This video, I will show you our exclusive Binance referral code that gives you up to 100 USDT in sign-up bonuses and a permanent 20% discount on your trading fees for life. Now, the exclusive code is BBK640Y5 right here on the screen. Or you can go to our article link below and use this code on the screen. It also offers the exact same bonus. However, this is a limited time exclusive deal. There are only a couple hours left, so you have to be fast. To use the code, click the direct link in the description and in the comments, which automatically applies our exclusive code so you do not have to type anything. Our Binance referral code gives you a 20% lifetime fee discount on your trading fees, and on top of that, you can unlock up to 100 USDT in trading fee credit right after you complete your KYC, deposit, and make your first trade, and thousands of dollars in bonus welcome tasks. If you trade on Binance regularly, this 20% discount will save you tons of money in the long term. Remember, this exclusive offer only lasts a few more hours, so claim it while it's still available. It's super easy. Let me show you. First, click the Binance sign up link in the description below. It takes you directly to the official registration page, or just click the link in our website article right here. Now, this automatically applies the code for you, so you don't have to do anything else. Now, if you don't see the referral code BBK640Y5 in the referral ID box, you have to fill it in. This step is very important to unlock all the bonuses, so copy the code in the description and paste it in. After creating the account, complete KYC verification as soon as possible. Next, make your first deposit. You can use bank transfer, card, crypto deposit, or just P2P. Finally, head over to the Rewards Hub. This is where Binance lists all of the simple tasks such as deposit and first trade, futures trade, whatever it is. As you complete these tasks, your available rewards unlock step by step toward the full $100 and more to come. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy the lower fees and those extra bonuses. For now, this code gives you the best deal on Binance, but we will keep updating the channel with the latest exclusive codes and deals, so make sure to come back and check from time to time. No matter when you're watching this video, we will always have the best codes available for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and I'll see you in the next one. Daily out.